What if I told you the money sitting in your old 401k could be turned into real estate, monthly income, and potentially millions of dollars over time without paying taxes today? And not only that, you could take the cash flow from that real estate and invest it into the stock market, compounding your wealth for the next 20 to 30 years. This is how you build real wealth. My name is Yogi, and on this channel, Yogi's Equity Edge, we talk about how to build wealth through real estate, smart investing, and strategic money moves. Today, I'm going to break down step by step how to roll over your old 401k into an IRA, how to use that IRA to buy real estate, what you can and cannot do legally, and how to turn that into millions over time. If you have a 401k from a previous employer, you have something extremely powerful. You have the ability to roll that money into an IRA. This is called a direct rollover. And this is very important. The money must go from your 401k provider directly to your IRA custodian. The money should never touch your hands, because if it does, you could trigger taxes, penalties, and unnecessary headaches. Now here's where things get powerful. A traditional IRA lets you invest in stocks and mutual funds, but a self-directed IRA lets you invest in real estate, private lending, and more. This is how the wealthy play the game. Here's how you set it up. Step 1, open a self-directed IRA with a custodian. Step 2, request a trustee-to-trustee transfer. Step 3, your funds move directly into your IRA. Once the money lands, your IRA becomes your investment vehicle. Now let's walk through a real example. Let's say you have $350,000 in your IRA. You find a deal that perfectly fits your wealth building strategy. You buy a property for $220,000. You spend about $110,000 to $120,000 to fully renovate it. This includes new plumbing, new electrical, underground plumbing, a new roof, new windows, new floors, interior and exterior doors. At this point, you essentially have a brand new home. Your total investment is around $330,000 to $340,000. After repairs, the property rents for about $2,500 per month. After expenses like taxes, insurance, and maintenance, you net about $1,800 per month. Now here's where most people stop. But this is where wealth is actually built. Instead of spending that income, you reinvest it. You take that $1,800 per month and invest it into index funds or ETFs like QQQ, SPY, JEPI, or JEPQ. These investments can average around 8 to 10% annually over time. Now let's break down what that really looks like. You're investing $1,800 per month. That's $21,600 per year. At a 10% return is over 30 years, that grows to approximately $3.9 million. And remember, that's just from the cash flow. You still own the real estate, which has likely appreciated significantly over time. Now, let's talk about what you cannot do with an IRA. This is critical. You cannot live in the property. You cannot use it personally. You cannot do the repairs yourself. You cannot pay yourself from the deal. Everything must be done at arm's length. All income and all expenses must go through the IRA. Now, here's another powerful strategy. Your IRA can act as a lender. You can lend money to other investors and earn 8 to 12% returns secured by real estate. Now your IRA is producing both rental income and interest income. And if you don't have enough money to invest on your own, you can partner with someone who has an IRA. You bring the deal, they bring the capital, and you split the profits. This strategy is how you turn a dormant 401k into real estate, monthly income, and long-term wealth. If you got value from this, like the video, subscribe, and comment wealth below. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about money, we show you how to build it.